Here's the Zenith 5D610 that's been completed, back in the case, and all polished up. I gave the case a good polish with car wax, and sure needed it too. This is about one of two music stations that we get here in Sacramento, and this one isn't even local. This station is about 70 miles north in Yuba City.
They have a 3-1 lead on Orlando as they go into tonight's action. Boston, they're playing the Hawks right now. Celtics trying to wrap up their first-round series. And the Lakers would like to...
Down on me, surround like a waterfall. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
Virus hand. Yeah, with a little note that said I could walk around the world in it.
Your defense is going to be much improved, especially the second year of this system. Del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo.
But yeah, I totally agree.
Sponsored daily by Metro Calvary in Roseville. And just a quick reminder, you can also hear Through the Word weekday afternoon.
Am I right about that?
You're right about that.
Well, Mike, let's not go any further. I don't want to put you into a state where you have any, anxiety or this and the rest of that story, because no one can weave a story.
So there you have it. It's practically a brand new radio. All except two tubes are brand new. All the caps, wiring, and even all the resistors are brand new. So it's performing about like it did when it was first made in late 41, early 42. If you've heard some whistles, I'm tuning on the dial. We have a station here that is very powerful, that's near where we live, KFBK at 1530. Also on two of the stations, when I tuned to the side, there was this I call it white noise sound. That's because two of our stations here in town are broadcasting in high definition, and the carrier signal comes across as a white noise rushing sound on when you tune slightly off center on the AM band. So anyway, there you have it, and thanks for watching.